We're going to be going over my fire starting kit. This isn't something innovating or new. I'm just trying to put content out for you guys. This pouch is a Maxpedition Beefy pouch. It's OD green. These pouches are pretty big. They have one smaller and bigger than this, but this one fits my needs. Maxpedition, if you get on their website, every once in a while they'll have a buy one, get one free sale. So I highly recommend going on there and see if you can catch a deal. These pouches, I like them. You can put them in your bug out bag or throw them in a car or something, but you can have one for each thing. You can have one for medical, you can have one for fire, have one for gun cleaning, stuff like that. And Maxpedition actually makes little pouches for these, so you can label them for what the needs are. You can also MOLLE it on the side of a bag. There's 4 rows of MOLLE here, along with the handle. So we'll go ahead and dive in the contents of this bag. All right, so when we open it up, you can see it's got a lot of organization in this pouch. So the first thing we'll go ahead and get out of the way is electrical tape. You can use electrical tape for many things, along with this paint can opener. So this is actually for my rifle in case I have a failure to eject in my rifle. I should actually put that in my other pouch. I've got 2 Bic lighters in here. The elastic actually holds these Bic lighters pretty good in here. You can pick these up at a store. I highly recommend you getting Bic lighters, along with a knife sharpener in case your knife gets dull. This is actually pretty cool. This is made from Zippo. So I actually got this at my local gas station. So Zippo is pretty light. It's not too heavy. You can actually fit this in a pocket, but if you twist or pull the lid, it's a ferrocerium rod. Throws out pretty good sparks. I think I paid $20 for this, but it came in a kit. So you got the ferrocerium rod along with one of these. You actually use these to blow on your embers, or you can use them to start a fire. You can pull it out, you extend the tube, and it's a long tube that you can blow on your embers or your coal or anything like that to get your fire started. It just helps out a lot. I highly recommend getting one of these too. Also have, a lot of people don't do this stuff anymore because they're always getting the new great gear, and they got to spend $20,000 on gear, and they forget the basic stuff anymore. This is just a bottle with cotton balls and Vaseline in it, along with this Duke's chapstick. It's made out of beeswax, so you can actually put a wick down in there and probably burn this. This is also made by Zippo. This came in the kit as well. It's just waterproof matches. I think, yeah, okay. So I've used quite a bit of these, but the thing was full when I got them. It's waterproof. It's got an O-ring seal on it. Pretty convenient. Along on the bottom side of it, it comes with a striker. Then you also get replacement striker pads, so you can peel this off when it gets used and put another striker pad on there. Also have just a quick, if I really need to fire fast, I have a quick flame twist cap. You can actually get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. I picked up, I think I legitimately got all the ones Dollar Tree had. I don't think I have anything in this pouch. Quickly check. I actually think I have, yeah. Alright, so I have tinder in here. This also came in the Zippo pouch. Good for starting fires. So I highly recommend getting one of these pouches and setting it up for either medical, fire starter, or anything like that. But as long as you have your gear essentially organized in one spot, it makes your life a whole lot easier. You're not digging in pouches and digging in pockets and everything. So with all that being said, if you guys know anything or find anything interesting fire starting wise, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely check it out. I love your guys' input and showing me new things. I'm always open to suggestions too and criticism. So if you think anything better or anything like that, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.